Welcome back, everybody. On this episode of AutoFocus, we'll be focusing on the Gas Monkey 1959 Ford F-100. Well, here you have it. The K-Tech engine. We've got Holley EFI. Got a custom air intake made by yours truly. And we've got the vintage air front runner set up. Ron Davis radiator, like always. We've got our Willwood Master over here. Pretty much nothing but the best. Typical Gas Monkey build, especially when we build them to this level. So that's pretty much what's up here. Underneath, you can see right through, we've got our Ridetech coilovers, Ridetech suspension. And don't even talk to me about the fact that that's a Chevy motor inside of there, because we know. And you know, when it comes to reliability, that's just what it is right now, and that thing makes a lot of power and we love it. So don't get offended, it's just what's working. All right, step on inside the interior. So here we are inside. Look at this headliner. Rolando hooked us up, got all the stitching done, put down all the leather, got our carpet hooked up, and we've got the vintage air AC kicking in here, air vents, which are kind of cool, machined and work like this, which is, you know, that's neat. Knobs, Dakota Digital. They hooked us up with the gauges, even put the Shiner logo in there, which we had to keep a secret until the very end. Nice little steering wheel. Oh, horn works. So there you have it. I did it steering column, looks nice in here, and guess what's hiding underneath this little hump right here? The monster transmission. I had to make a little bit of extra room in there. You might have saw that on the episode, but it's well worth it for a transmission built by Monster. So thanks guys at Monster. It's a 4L60E with a little extra added parts in it to make sure it's super strong and ready to handle the abuse that Richard likes to give these things. Poof. So under here, we went ahead and did all MagnaFlow. We've got cats, we got all our V-band clamps. We even blacked it all out, keep it stealth mode. We've got dual MagnaFlow exhaust back there, coming out of the Holley cast manifolds. So super clean, super tight. Got a next pipe going all the way out the back. Some nice polished tips. Let's go check them out. Out back, got a nice wood bed. Got gas cap. Even the gas cap's been etched in. It's got the Shiner logo in it. Tailgate, Shiner. You know, some people thought maybe that was embossed, but it wasn't. I just deleted it and then they painted it afterwards. So that's looking good. Got the exhaust tips. Even got a hidden hitch in case they want to tow around some beer in this thing. Hook it up. Hold around. You know, Bass hit all the pinstriping on this one. All the lettering, everything's all hand painted. The Detroit steel wheels, put some white walls on those, and I mean, hell, it all ties in. We've got all the basic colors here. Yellow, gold, red, white. What's not to love? All right. It's time to get out of here. Oh yeah. Going for a ride with the Germ Master. Jeez. Goodness gracious. She's a beast. This is actually the first time I've got to take this one out. Man. See what this K-Tech can do. Ooh, a little scratch. Yeah. Oh, daddy likes. Whoa, better slow down. Handles like a champ. The full chassis we put underneath here. Can't go wrong. Bracket pinion steering. Got a Curry rear end. Got that Thor torque converter inside that monster transmission. This thing is a monster. Golly. She just wants to unleash on me. I can't even help it. Barely even pushing the pedals. What a fine operating piece of machinery. If I do say so myself. Dude, did you see the reflection in the glass over there? If you're driving a truck like this, you can't help but look in the glass when you drive by. Golly! Yeah! Woo-wee! It opened up right there. Little downshift. Yeah. Dude, this is a racetrack. Hashtag race truck. Shiner can't help but be happy with this thing, man. This thing's a monster. There you go. Shiner Bach, Gas Monkey build, 1959, Ford F-100. That was a fun ride. Heating and cooling system and front runner kit from Vintage Air. Custom engraved shiner caps. Oh my God. What's wrong with him? That guy is gross. Like, bam, right here. I think that thing looks kind of like a little buttercup, you know, one of those little buttercups, like a little chocolate candy. It's kind of like a cupcake wrapper upside down. It makes me hungry.